the pink one. Right there. Get it. Right there.
Oh
Grab
my
the
gosh,
pink one.
another one.
That one, get it. Yeah, that's yours.
Oh my gosh, all the books. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got games.
Turn it over. What is it?
All the sweet.
Got it right here. There.
Did Santa got me my fish something?
Huh?
Okay,
Turn around. Let me see. Turn it around. The other side. The box. Turn the box around.
Yeah.
That's that reading pen, right?
Yep. Okay. This could go all to my cake.
Who's that, Chris?
Wow. What pony?
Pony, baby girl.
Is it a pony?
Yeah. Look. Let's show
Yeah,
me.
these pictures
Look.
are moving around.
See? Oh my gosh.
Is it pretty?
Yeah. More down more. Oh my gosh. Right here. More.
Yeah, go get another one.
More touches. More pen. More coming.
Right there. Grab that one.
This
Yep.
is mine. It's mine.
Just see it says it. You're just talking.
More pen.
That's what's gonna be when opening that one.
Why you guys go sit by your brother? No, okay.
Oh my gosh. They're games now. Leapfrog World March. That's weird. Oh, Mom,
What is
present.
yours?
Oh, present.
No, it's not. Okay.
Oh, present.
Is it Brennan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get something else and leapfrog stuff, or I keep on getting leapfrog and leapfrog.
See how easier that makes it? Both of you guys sitting side by side.
I hope you don't.
Turn it. No, wait. Turn around. Show me what you got.
Wait.
Brennan,
Yeah.
yeah. Look at me, Brennan.
Oh, I'm gonna open this one.
Hey, wait.
This should be Legos.
Actually, go ahead. You got a couple more than your sister gets. I don't want her waiting.
Oh, Harry Potter stuff. The whole. Oh, darn
You
it.
just moved on.
Look, what'd you get?
Whoa, whole castle! The whole castle! But, seriously, that's a whole castle, but... This is wonderful!
Good. You gotta take all that. Did you take all the wrapper off?
Wait on me, sis.
Brennan, I think you need to wait on sis.
Let me see it. Show me the front.
Bless you.
That's cool.
Have it.
Includes a Harry Potter wand.
More here. More here. More
Now you go put it down. Get another one.
Yeah, that's really.
Where's my girl? More. That one's our campus.
Brooklyn over here, baby girl.
Mine? Dad, that one's not
Oh, that's
for me.
great.
That one's for Dad. It says Dad.
Okay. Okay, go back over here.
Quit. Brooklyn over here, baby. Come
I
here.
got it.
Brooklyn.
Your vehicle.
Go sit over here.
Oh, the loyalty. Oh, the baby and the mama.
Let's see. Cool. Alright, grab another one.
I just passed that.
Grab that blue one right there by your sister's foot. Open it.
Right there.
Oh.
Oh.
Sit down.
Wow, sis.
Pretty.
She's pretty.
Did you know? Whoa.
She's
Oh,
pretty.
wow.
You like her?
I got the Harry Potter action figure
Oh,
now.
well, we'll open it. You got one more, a big one to open. Is she pretty?
With Ooh, that's spell.
That's her wand.
Cool.
She's a princess like you. There you go. You got one more view. Okay, go put her back up though. Go put her up first. Okay, go ahead. You're fine. Be the last one,
Bryn.
baby girl, and then get
No,
your stocking.
open those.
You want to wait for brother to open your big one?
Yeah, open that. Hurry up.
Yeah, what? Christmas is today. Merry Christmas, okay? Let's wait for brother and we'll open your big one together, okay? This is yours. One more, but you gotta wait for Brandon.
All right, Bryn, hurry up.
Okay, you can sit. She's ready.
Cool.
You okay? You hurt your toe? You alright, sweetheart?
I think this is yours too. This blue one in front, Brennan.
Yeah.
This blue one in front right here.
I still got some to go.
Pull it out and open it.
It's Dr. Beagle, and it's so expensive, and I got it. I got it. I got it. Wow.
Is that pretty?
Sacrifice
Look.
of the year.
Take that off.
What'd you get? Turn around.
Wow, Brooklyn. Brendan, oh wait.
Cool.
Brendan, look at me. Thank you. What do you think of that, Brooklyn? Brendan, you got two more. That blue one right there.
Brooklyn, turn it around. Show me.
Is it another Mr. thing? I think I got all the books.
Okay.
Show me what it is.
Awesome.
Open.
Oh, you want to open? Okay, well, let's clean up the paper and stuff, okay? We got to do stockings still. We got to wait for brother.
Oh my. Wally! A Wally set! A Wally set! A Wally! Wally! Wow!
Show me. Try to scoot back.
Oh my gosh!
Wally. Racing. Cool. Alright, you got one more, Brendan, and then...
No, I got my toolbox.
Oh, yeah. Open that one and get your toolbox out.
You don't, hold on, baby. We did
Where's
all
my
yours.
scissors bird?
Oh.
Hold on, Sissy.
I think this is the scissors bird.
We're
It's
going
like,
to do your stocking, okay? We're gonna do- You want one?
oh, this is that one.
Oh, shit.
What is this?
That was yours.
This is mine.
Sorry. Sorry, babe. Sorry.
Hey, that's it. Pull his toolbox out.
I hope I didn't ruin that for you, Mark.
Don't worry, Lisa's
I
in the
think your
mail.
dad pulled that out when he pulled them out.
Daddy.
Hold on.
There's your toolbox.
Where's my box?
Sorry, baby. You can have that thing.
Screwdrivers? What is this?
It's a leveler.
I can cut lightning. It has this.
It was in the toolbox.
Oh, someone must have. Oh, baby. Oh, YOLO. The loyalty.
Hang on, I'll put your top part back in there.
Brendan, look at me. With it.
Top part.
Yeah, right by your foot.
Okay, now let's do stockings for you. Okay?
I already watched this one.
Let's do stockings and then